Alrighty guys, real quick, I want to question my social media people out there, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Y'all see this, guys? This is an oil leak, okay? This is a Jeep Wrangler with a 3.6 Pentastar. Now, I don't know how familiar y'all is with that engine, but they tend to leak up top, and that leak comes from this, guys, an oil cooler, okay? Now, if you notice, only parts you see over here is this oil cooler and, of course, some seals. But I gave a different estimate than what parts I'm receiving, guys. I'm trying to save this customer's life as well as this customer's car. Remember, guys, if you ride around with no oil in your car, you can lock your engine up and destroy your car. All right. Now, but which one is more important? Okay, take a look at this. I also wrote up brakes. All right, as you can see, these brakes are metal to freaking metal. They scrub it into the rotor. Yeah, they gone, all the way gone. So both of these are very important. But as you can see, based on the parts that I'm showing you, what all they approve. Now, the question becomes, what's more important in life, guys? Are you trying to save your vehicle's life, or are you trying to save your life? Okay, you would think that would be an easy decision to make. I'm not sure. Now, for all I know, she's probably going to go get these done somewhere cheaper. I'm not sure, but I know I would be way too afraid to ride around like this. Okay, I can live with a few oil leaks, but I can't drive around with no brakes. Do I want to crash, or do I want to destroy my car? Let me know.